Oh my god, this video I'm about to show you right now is so funny. Kenneth Okonkwo continue attacking P2B. So I don't know what P2B did to you. So you hate P2B so much. I don't even know. But P2B, is not reacting. But now that P2B, has taken Kenneth Okonkwo to court, so explain him more about the accusation of money. So that is the hottest news in trading now. So Kenneth Okonkwo, accuse P2B, as a scam. That the P2B is a scam. Call P2B all sorts of name that P2B is a thief. So let us watch this video. Don't see this video. It's so funny. Sorry, it's so funny. So watch this video. I have a lot to discuss on this. So watch this video.
I told them that P2B is going to scam them.
Yeah, but
that is a political conman. Look at what is happening.
I'm saying that again.
You will go to diaspora. I don't give shit, but you collect.
So I don't know what P2B mean. Kenneth Okonkwo mean by calling P2B, a scam, calling P2B all sorts of names. What is P2B done to Kenneth? Someone asked, Kenneth Okonkwo a question. Someone asked Kenneth Okonkwo about this. What P2B did to you? Since P2B left NDC to join NDC, Kenneth Okonkwo attacking P2B here and there. So I don't know what is happening. So now that P2B, drag you to court to, explain more, accusation of money. He said that P2B eats money. He said that P2B claim that he don't give money. He don't give shishi, but he collects shishi. So I don't know. This is a strong allegation. This is a strong allegation. It's not an allegation. You say that let's forget about this. No, this is a strong allegation. P2B need to clear himself very well. Because guys, someone said this before, and Kenneth Okonkwo repeat this thing again. So what I know is that Kenneth Okonkwo is not saying this in ordinary. I'm not saying that it's true, but what I mean is that this accusation needs to be clear itself very well, because Kenneth Okonkwo said this. I know that Kenneth Okonkwo, is saying this because of the hatred, I have on P2B. So, but let me tell you another thing. Kenneth Okonkwo saying this. There is someone behind Kenneth Okonkwo. There is someone giving Kenneth Okonkwo information about all this thing he's saying. So now that P2B drag Kenneth Okonkwo to court, let us see what is going to come out, for the case, because I know that P2B is not going to take it easy, because this is a strong allegation, by calling P2B a scam. Calling P2B all sorts of names, that P2B is a thief. So let's wait and hear what is going to come out on this. So funny. You see how Kenneth Okonkwo is shouting, calling P2B all sorts of names. I don't know whether Kenneth Okonkwo is quarrel with P2B, because the way he reacted, the way he's shouting, he said that he told them that P2B is going to scam them. Now wow, this is a serious allegation. Now wow, Kenneth Okonkwo is not resting, attacking P2B. What is P2B did to you? What is P2B did to you? I don't know what is happening in Igbo land. The two brothers is fighting. Why? The two brothers is fighting? I don't know. He's supposed to be your brother keeper. I don't know why you are fighting your brother. Even if your brother is doing, something you don't like, your brother is doing something wrong, why can't you call your brother and give him advice? Rather than to come into air to say something, someone will hear they say, "Twe." I don't know what, everybody know what twice mean. So, Peter Obi in now reacts. Peter Obi say that I'm not keeping quiet again. Let me tell Kenneth Okonkwo to the court so that Kenneth Okonkwo will tell me, explain me more about this, call me a scammer. Calling someone a scammer, this is a very strong word. So, I don't know. You need to clear yourself very well before someone will look at you somehow. So, let's be keeping and watching what is going to come out for this. You can see a lot of the news everywhere. I've seen the paper, everywhere. Trending news. Peter Obi has dragged Kenneth Okonkwo, to court. This allegation, this issue of the money, too much. Is it like a 5 billion or what? Now wow. This issue of a politics has scattered many family. Let's be watching. So, but the one thing I know is that the truth must be surely come out on this, whether it's true or whether it's just allegation. So let's be watching. I know a lot of people is watching for what is going to happen. Thank you, everyone. In case you never subscribe for Honor TV, please subscribe. Please, I need more subscribers. Please do it. You know how I do it. And like and share and comment. God will bless everyone. One love. Thank you.